Welcome to Food's Pairing Challenge. My name is Fa. I'm an assistant winemaker and certified sommelier at Suisun Valley Wine Co-op. Today we pick beautiful Brut Rosé sparkling wine from Blacksmith Cellars. This wine is dry rosé with beautiful strawberry notes, and I think it's gonna pair perfectly with my childhood favorite dish from Thailand, Thai-style chicken ginger. So let's get cooking. I'm gonna wait until the oil starts to shimmer. This is garlic, so fresh garlic, I just chopped them up. I love my garlic, so I put about half of the head, maybe 4 cloves or something. It's quite a bit. In Thai cooking, there isn't such a thing as too much garlic. I'm just gonna fry it quickly just to release the flavor, but I don't really want it to brown. Follow that really quickly with my chicken breast. I will take this opportunity to season it with pepper. Today we're going to be using this soy sauce with oyster sauce. Now I see that my chicken is actually cooked, again, at least on the outside. It's going to continue to cook as I add more ingredients, so I'm not too concerned about that. So this is grated ginger, about 1.5 tablespoons. Cook it in heat so that it releases the flavor. I'm just going to switch it around a little bit on its own, and now I'm going to stir it into the chicken. This is about half onion, and with that the bell pepper. Again, half a bell pepper. While this is cooking, this is a good time to season. So the main seasoning of this is oyster sauce. That is probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then I will put about 1 tablespoon or maybe half tablespoon of soy sauce. The best kept secret of Thai food is sugar. Sugar is to Asian cooking as butter is to French cooking. So, you know, if you think you're putting too much sugar, put more. It should be slightly sweet. And you know, it's not sweet like you won't really taste the sweetness, but if you stop and think about it, it is sweet. That kind of sweetness. Bean sprout. This is wood of the ear. Ear of the wood. Now I'm just gonna stir it around. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my God, this is so good. So good. Doesn't need anything. This is perfect. Life is good. All right, we're gonna go plate. We're gonna go eat and see how it does with the wine. So here we have it, the Thai-style chicken ginger, and let's give it a try. I'm so excited. This is gonna transport me back to childhood. Oh my God, this is amazing. You know, the slight sweetness with the salty sauce, crunch of all the vegetables and the mushrooms together, amazing. And wow, with the wine. The crisp acidity with the fruitiness that comes through really wash my palate, really refreshing it for me to get ready for the next bite. So I'm gonna go for the next bite. Thank you for joining, and cheers.